Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Now, Instagram Notes is newest feature where you can actually go and add your notes or music. However, this feature won't work for everyone because you'll actually need to turn on the activity status on Instagram. So basically, in order to turn on the activity status, you can turn on activity status to fix Instagram Notes not working. Click on your profile icon, go to the three lines menu and choose settings. Then click privacy and scroll down to activity status. So basically, you will need to go right here to more. You will need to go to settings. And from settings, right here, you will need to actually go to where we can see right here. We have professional account, who can see your content, how others can interact with you. And here you have activity status, as you can see. Make sure to click that on and make sure to turn that on. Also, if you haven't updated your app, make sure to update it and clear the cache. And then just restart the app as a whole after you click this. And you will be able to have Instagram Notes in your DMs and on your Instagram. So that's pretty much why and how you can fix Instagram Notes and why Instagram Notes feature is not showing. So if you have any questions or maybe concerns, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.